Affordable homeowners insurance in Desert Edge, CA. Protect your family and home. Picture this. It's a bright Saturday afternoon, the sun is shining, and your family is enjoying a backyard barbecue. Laughter fills the air as everyone gathers around, sharing delicious food and creating memories. Suddenly, a gust of wind swoops in, knocking over the umbrella and smashing into the neighbor's fence. That quick moment made me realize, things can happen when you least expect them, and having reliable homeowners insurance can make all the difference in protecting what matters most. Understanding your housing options in Desert Edge, CA. In this vibrant area, many families live in different types of homes, each with their own value and insurance needs. Single-family home, worth around $400,000, roughly $800 per year, a standard coverage choice. Mobile home, valued at about $150,000, for around $500 per year, basic protection. Condo, estimated at $250,000, costing about $600 per year, enhanced coverage. Duplex, roughly $500,000, averaging $900 per year, premium coverage. Townhome, valued at $300,000, about $700 per year, standard coverage. Living with loved ones brings joy, but also the challenge of safeguarding your space. As a wife and mother of 4 kids of all ages, I know firsthand how crucial it is to be ready for surprises. Here are 4 homeowner insurance tips that families often overlook but shouldn't. 1. Temporary living expenses. If your home gets damaged, this coverage helps with hotel stays, meals, and transport while repairs are underway. Keep an eye on your receipts to ensure quick reimbursement. 2. Natural disasters. Wildfires, earthquakes, floods, each area has its risks. Review your policy yearly to make sure your coverage matches the threats specific to Desert Edge. 3. Underinsured personal property. Your belongings add up. Keep an updated inventory with photos and receipts so you're fully protected if something gets lost or stolen. 4. Liability limits. If someone gets hurt on your property or you accidentally damage theirs, higher liability coverage can save your assets from legal trouble. Talk to your insurance agent about the right protection for your family. Comparing insurance features. Here's a quick snapshot of coverage based on household scenarios. Single parent, $300,000 dwelling, $100,000 personal property, $300,000 liability. Large family, $500,000 dwelling, $150,000 personal property, $500,000 liability. Investment property, $400,000 dwelling, $50,000 personal property, $400,000 liability. Luxury homeowner, $1 million dwelling, $200,000 personal property, $1 million liability. FAQs. Your homeowner's insurance questions answered. What does homeowner's insurance cover? It generally includes your house, personal belongings, liability, and living expenses if displaced. How can I save on premiums? Increase deductibles, bundle policies, install security systems. Is flood insurance part of standard coverage? No, it's usually separate. What affects insurance costs? Location, home age, materials, credit score. When should I review my policy? Every year or after major home changes. Weighing your options, pros and cons. Pros, peace of mind, financial safety, protection from life's surprises. Cons, premium costs, coverage limits, understanding policy details. In Desert Edge, CA, seasons bring different risks. Wildfires in summer, winter storms, spring floods. Regularly reviewing your coverage keeps you prepared for whatever comes your way. Think of homeowners insurance as a safety net, giving you peace of mind that, no matter what life throws at you, your family and home are protected. And a quick tip, staying on top of home maintenance and repairs helps prevent damage and can even lower your premiums. Just another way to keep your home safe and your wallet happy.